Standard 7. Subject is English. We have started our unit number 1, that is of semester 2, the world around us. We are talking about the surrounding us, the world around us, right? In activity 1, we have discussed about the water, the importance of water for humans, agriculture, industries, and for the animals and plants. We have already discussed all these things, right? We have seen activity number 3, match the following pair also. Now we will see activity number 4. It is do's and don'ts. In your textbook, you have activity number 4. Here are some ways you can use water or misuse it. So you have to put in an appropriate column. You will have like this in your textbook. Do's and don'ts, both columns were there. So you have to write if whatever the sentence is about does. So you have to write on that column. And if it is don't, so you have to write that point in the don'ts column. Okay. So here I have already written the points. So now you can see I have made the boxes also. In that I will write do's or don'ts. So in your textbook you have to write in a proper column. Okay. So it is about do's and don'ts of what. So what you have to do or what you have to don't do, that you have to understand in this activity. So let's see activity number 4, that is do's and don'ts. First point I have written here that use only as much water as you require. So it is do's or don'ts. Use only as much water as you require. આપણને જેટલી જરૂરત હોય એટલું પાણીનો યુઝ કરો. So it is do's or don'ts. So yes, it is do's because it is about us that use water as much as we need, as we require. So the answer is do's. Okay. Next point is close the tap tightly after use. Close the tap tightly after use. Use થયા પછી tap ને completely tight કરી દો. So it is true, मतलब do's or don'ts. Yes, we have to do this. So the answer is do's. Next is use a bucket while bathing instead of shower. નવા જઈએ તો shower use કરતા bath માટે શું use કરીએ? bucket use કરીએ. So is it good or not? Yes, you have to do it, right? So use a bucket while bathing instead of shower. So the answer is do's. Next is throw garbage near water source when on picnic. Throw garbage near water source when on picnics. આપણે પિકનિકમાં જઈએ છીએ તો ગાર્બેજ કચરો છે ગમે તે વોટર સોર્સ હોય ત્યાં તળાવ હોય બાજુમાં નદી હોય કંઈ પણ પિકનિક સ્પોટ્સમાં તો ત્યાં ગાર્બેજ કચરો આપણે નાખીએ તો it is do's or don'ts. So the answer is don'ts. You don't have to do this. The answer is don'ts. Okay. Next point is organize pre-plantation activities. Organize which? Pre-plantation activities. So you have to do this. So the answer is do's. Okay. Next is throw puja offering into rivers or ponds nearby. આપણે પૂજા કરવા જઈએ છીએ રિવરમાં યા નજીકનું કોઈ તળાવ હોય ત્યાં તો આપણે ત્યાં પૂજાનું જે પણ સામગ્રી હોય છે અંદર નાખીએ છીએ અંદર પધરાવીએ છીએ તો it is good. You have to do this? No. So don't throw these next point is wash your vehicles in the rivers or ponds. Wash your vehicles in the rivers or ponds. So you have to do this or not? Not, obviously not. You don't have to do this. Don't. We don't have to wash our vehicles nearby river, pond, etc. Right? So it is don't. Next point is use a water jug instead of running water while brushing teeth. When you are brushing teeth, so tap is open over there and you are doing your brush, right? So don't do that and use a water jug instead of running water while brushing teeth. So it is rules. Okay. Next point is green paints used oil, drink and chemicals. So what's the answer? Green paints use oil, drinks and chemicals. આપણે ડ્રિંક કરી નાખીએ પાણીમાં. પેન્ટ્સ, ઓઇલ યુઝ થયેલું, ડ્રિંક્સ જે કોલ્ડ ડ્રિંક્સ ને હોય છે તે જે કેમિકલ્સ ને આ બધું પાણીમાં ભેગું કરીએ. So you have to do this or not? Obviously not. Since the answer is don't. Right? So the answer is don't. So these are some points it is you have to do or not. Not to do that you can understand. So activity 4 we have completed do's and don'ts. You have to write in a separate column or given in your textbook do's and don'ts in workbook also. So write down whatever the point of do's you have to write in your proper column of do's and whatever the points in don'ts. So write down that points in the column of don'ts. Now we will see activity number 6. In activity number 6, you have looked about where the energy comes from. Do you know where the energy comes from? Energy means it's not about iron, it's about the electricity and all that energy. Okay. So we will see that topic. We use electricity in almost all activities of life directly or indirectly. You have seen activity 5 you have to do by yourself that direct use क्या करिए electricity और energy नो અને indirect use क्या करिए. We use have an example like use fan तो આપણે energy electricity નો direct use કરીએ છીએ. Food we eat તો indirectly આપણને energy મળે છે. Clothes we wear તેમાં પણ energy આપણને indirectly મળે છે. Then direct use માં ટ્યુબ લાઇટ ઓન કરવી ગમે તે વોશિંગ મશીન ઓન કરવું તો ત્યાં આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી નો યુઝ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ. Right? So we use electricity in almost all activities of life directly or indirectly. Electricity is a form of energy. Electricity is what? It's a form of energy. Whose electricity? What? Electricity, it's a form of energy. Remember this. Producing energy is not easy. Energy produce karvu, it's not an easy thing. So there are many different sources of energy. These include there are many different sources of energy. Okay, these includes like I have written only 2 examples, that is non-renewable and renewable sources. There are other different so many sources of energies are there. So what I have already we have discussed 2 types of sources, that is non-renewable resources and renewable sources. that is also not renewable. And coal, કોલસા, તો કોલસા આપણે એકવાર બાળીએ છીએ તો પછી તો રાખ બની જાય છે, તો એ કોલસા ફરી રિન્યુ થઈ શકતા નથી, etc. There are other so many resources like non renewable resources આપણે sources કહેવાય છે એનર્જી. It will end in a one day. તે એક દિવસમાં પૂરું થઈ શકે છે non renewable sources. Now and renewable sources like wind energy, hydroelectric energy and solar energy. So these are the non-renewable, not renewable energy. So ये renewable energy we can produce again and again. We can use it once, not we can use it again and again. It will not end in one day. What? Wind energy, hydroelectric energy, solar system, etc. So ahead it is written that non-renewable sources will end one day. They are used to produce energy in thermal power stations. Petrol, diesel and gases like CNG, LPG are used for running vehicles and cooking food. આ પણ non-renewable energy ના sources છે, like petrol, diesel, gases like LPG gas, CNG gas, જે vehicle માટે CNG use થાય છે, LPG ઘરોમાં cooking food કરવા માટે use થાય છે. So it is one time use only, it will not renew, right? So it is non-renewable resources. And non-renewable resources of energy also pollute the environment. આ જે sources છે એ environment ને પણ pollute કરી શકે છે. તમે જોવો છો કે પેટ્રોલનો જે પાછળ ધુમાડો એનો ગેસ નીકળતું હોય છે બધું, તે આપણા એન્વાયરમેન્ટને ખરાબ કરતું હોય છે. સો નોન રિન્યુએબલ એનર્જી છે, it pollute the environment. However, they are the primary sources of energy today. ભલે એટલું વાતાવરણ ખરાબ કરે છે, એન્વાયરમેન્ટ આપણું પોલ્યુટ થઈ શકે છે, બટ આજના હાલમાં પણ અને આગળમાં પણ આપણે જોઈએ છે કે આ જે સોર્સિસ છે નોન રિન્યુએબલ સોર્સિસ, પેટ્રોલ, ગેસ, ડીઝલ, કુકિંગ માટે એલપીજી, સીએનજી ગેસ ને ગમે તે, એ આપણી ફર્સ્ટ પ્રાયોરિટી આજના ટાઈમમાં બની ગઈ છે. ઇટ ઇઝ પ્રાઇમરી સોર્સિસ ઓફ એનર્જી ટુડે, રાઈટ? એના વગર આપણે કંઈ ચાલી શકતું નથી. આપણે પેટ્રોલ તો જરૂર પડે vehicle ચલાવવા માટે, ડીઝલ, કેરોસીન, રાઈટ, કોલ. So it is a primary resources or sources of energy today. But it's time now that we turn towards renewable sources of energy and energy conservation, यानी कि preservation, save करो. Now it's a time, હવે time આવ્યું છે કેવું, that we turn towards the renewable sources. We turn towards the renewable sources of energy and energy conservation. કેવી રીતે એનર્જી બચાવવી, કેવી રીતે renewable sources નો યુઝ કરવો, નોન રિન્યુએબલ નહીં, તેના તરફ આપણે જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. આગળના ટાઈમમાં પણ આપણે જોઈશું કે we will use mostly non renewable sources, and today in the time of that we can say that it's the primary sources of today's time. But in the future we will see that is the primary sources, if we hope that the primary sources will be renewable sources of energy. Okay, so it is about how the energy comes from. So you know now, and it is the activities number 6 we have completed. That is one activities that which are two major disadvantages of non-renewable energy. Disadvantages of non-renewable energy. You can see that what disadvantage is, that is, first of all is that you can say that it pollute the environment, right? It pollute the environment. Another activity we can say that they are non-renewable and fast decline, right? Okay, fast decline यानी कि जल्दी खत्म होता जाए. Then second we can say that they leave behind harmful byproducts upon combustion, thereby causing a lot of pollution. Another we can say that mining of such fuels leads to irreversible damage to the adjoining environment. You can easily understand that non cannot
Okay,
like
so
reach
students,
for
here we
time.
have
Okay,
renewable
so these are
energy
some
and
words as
non-renewable
like
energy. You
sleep,
can see in the both
popular,
picture that
and
first is
time.
about the
These
renewable
keywords we
energy.
cannot
You can
read
see
before
the
the
solar
word.
energy,
Okay.
biomass energy, wind energy, then geothermal energy and hydropower energy, right? These energy we can say that it is a non. So renewable energy, you can see it is, we can renew it, right? I already told you about it. Wind energy, hydroelectric energy, solar system and all, we can renew it. But here in this another picture you can see that is non-renewable energy, fossil fuel oil, coal, nuclear, natural gas. I already told you about the petrol, kerosene, and all these things. It is one time we can use. It is not we cannot renew it, right? We cannot renew it. So it is non-renewable energy. So understood about the non-renewable and renewable energy. Okay. So let's see one another picture. I will show you that is about the renewable and non-renewable energy. It's the sources of energy about the non-renewable and the renewable. Okay, so see the other picture.